Alam mo ba na lahat tayo ay dumadaan sa discouragement? Ka-good news, may mga araw na parang wala tayong gana, parang walang nangyayari kahit ginagawa mo na ang lahat. Pero tandaan mo, hindi dahil mahirap ngayon ay wala ng pag-asa bukas. Kaya gusto ko iwan sa yung 3Ds when you are discouraged. Una, discern God's direction. Minsan kasi kapag ka-discouraged tayo, ang unang nawawala ay direction. Nawawala yung clarity, nawawala yung purpose. Pero sabi sa Proverbs chapter 3 verse 6, in all your ways, acknowledge Him and He will direct your paths. So bago ka gumawa ng desisyon sa gitna ng discouragement, mag-pray ka muna. Ask God, Lord, anong itinuturo mo sa sitwasyon ko na ito? Baka kasi yung delay mo ngayon, direction pala ni Lord. Pangalawa, depend on God's strength. Ka-good news, hindi mo kailangang kayanin mag-isa. Sabi nga sa Philippians chapter 4 verse 13, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Ka-good news, hindi sinasabi ni Apostle Paul na I can do all things by myself, kundi through Christ. Kaya kung pagod ka na, hayaan mong si Lord ang magpatuloy. Depend on His power, not on your effort. Pangatlo, declare God's promises. Ka-good news, kapag discouraged ka, huwag mong pakinggan masyado yung mga negative thoughts mo. Pakinggan mo yung salita ng Diyos. Speak life over your situation. Sabihin mo, God is with me. God will never leave me nor forsake me. That's according to Hebrews chapter 13 verse 5. Ang salita ng Diyos ay may kapangyarihan. Gamitin mo yan para itaguyod muli ang pananampalataya mo. So ka-good news, remember, when you are discouraged, discern His direction, depend on His strength, and declare His promises. Because discouragement today can become your testimony tomorrow. Don't give up. God is not finished with your story yet. What are your thoughts? Itype mo sa comment section. Pag-usapan natin yan.